Precious and welcome to the section of Grade 9 CBSE Maths class. Today we are looking at the chapter number 13, Surface Area and Volume. In this chapter, from the name itself, it is clear that we are going to study surface area and volume. So, for what all things or for what all shapes or for what all figures we are trying to find surface area and volume. In this chapter, we are having cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. In this chapter, we are having cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. For all these shapes, for all these solids or for all these types of things, we need to find the surface area and volume. All these having equations for finding surface area and volume. First of all, we want to find or we need to study the equations for finding surface area and volume for each shape. Then after that, we will solve problems related to surface area and volume of each shape separately. Clear? So, as a first step, I am going to discuss about cube. I am going to discuss about cube. What is the peculiarity of a cube? A cube having 6 faces. A cube having 6 faces and the dimension of all the faces are same. And the dimension of all the faces are same. Look here, this is a cube and this cube having faces. This is first face, 1, and on the back side of the same we are having another one. This is the second, and on the top we are having third, and on the bottom we are having fourth, and on the left side we are having fifth, and on the right side we are having sixth. So 6 faces are there for this cube. And the most important peculiarity of a cube is that each face is a square. Each face is a square. That means length, breadth and height are same. Length, breadth and height are same because each face is a square. If I take the side of square as A, then all the sides are of same length A because all these are squares. Clear? Now, to find the surface area of this cube, first we have to find the surface area of one face. Each face is a square. So for square, the area is side into side, that is a square. So for one face, the area is a square. So for one face, the area is a square. We are having 6 faces. So total area is 6 into a square, that is 6a square. Therefore, total surface area, I am writing it as TSA. TSA means total surface area. TSA means total surface area. So, total surface area of cube. What is total surface area of cube? It is 6a square. Total surface area of cube is 6a square. Total surface area of cube is 6a square. Clear? Now we need to find the volume of the same cube. To find the volume of a cube, the main thing we need to do is multiply the length into breadth into height. Here the length, breadth and height are same, which is taken as A. So A into A into A gives the volume. A into A into A gives the volume. What is A into A into A? It is A cube. So volume of cube is A cube. So volume of cube is A cube. Volume of cube is A cube. Okay. For a cube, total surface area is 6a square. Volume is A cube. I am writing the equation one by one in the right side. I am writing the equations one by one in the right side of the board. So first figure, that is a cube, or first figure is a cube. For a cube, total surface area is 6a square and volume is a cube. So first shape is a cube. First shape is a cube. I am noting it. Till the last portion of the chapter, I am writing all the equations here. For a cube, total surface area is equal to 6a square. Volume is equal to a cube. Volume is equal to a cube. Okay. This is our first shape. Clear? Now, moving to the second one. Moving to the second one. It is a cuboid. It is a cuboid. Second one is a cuboid. What do you mean by a cuboid? A cuboid is something similar to cube. The difference is that length, breadth and height are different. For a cube, the length, breadth and height are same because all the 6 faces are squares. But here in a cuboid, all the 6 faces are rectangles. All the 6 faces are rectangles. An example, we can say that the shape of a matchbox. The shape of a matchbox is a cuboid. So when we are considering a cuboid, each face is a rectangle. When we are considering a cuboid, each face is a rectangle like this. So this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. So this also height, this is also height, this is also height, and this is length, this is the length, this is also length, this is also length, and this is breadth, this is breadth, this is breadth. Now how to find the total surface area of this cuboid? How to find the total surface area? Total surface area of the cuboid is the surface area of, or the areas of all the rectangles. So if we are taking this as the first rectangle, then it is length into breadth. The same rectangle is in the back side. The same rectangle is in the back side. So 2 into length into breadth. And now we are considering the topmost portion of the figure. The topmost portion here is also a rectangle and the length is L and the breadth is B. So in the bottom and the top 2 into L into B. Clear? So now I am considering the front and back side. The front and back side. This is the front. This is, so length is L, breadth is here H. So in the back side same 2 into L into H. Clear? And when we are considering the left and right side, it is 2 into B into H. When we add these together, we are having 2 into length into breadth, 2 into length into height, 2 into breadth into height. So in general, we can write total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. That is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. That is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. This is the total surface area of a cuboid. Now moving to the volume of the cuboid. In general, we can say that like the same we said in case of cube, we can say that the volume of a cuboid is simply length into breadth into height. In case of a cube, length, breadth and height are same, which is taken as a. So we write the volume as a cube. Here the length, breadth and height are different. So we can say that volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. That is LBH. That is LBH. So what is the volume of cuboid? It is LBH. Now we studied two figures. First one is a cube. and second one is cuboid. Second one is cuboid. What is the total surface area of a cuboid? Total surface area of a cuboid. What is the total surface area of a cuboid? Total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Then what is volume? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height, that is LBH. This is the second figure. So now we completed two figures, cube and cuboid. What is the total surface area of cube? It is 6a square. Volume, it is a cube. Then moving to cuboid, what is total surface area? It is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. And in case of cuboid, what is the volume? It is length into breadth into height, LBH. Okay, we completed two figures. All the total surface area and volume of two figures. Now look at some questions given. The first one is, the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. That means we are having some paint in a container, and this amount of paint can paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 7.5 centimeter? When it is given like this, it means that 22.5 centimeter is the length, 10 centimeter is the breadth, and 7.5 centimeter is the height. Can be painted out of this container. So, dimension of one brick is given. Total area that can be painted using this much of paint is given. We need to find how much bricks of this type can be painted. So, first the given data is length of the brick, which is 22.5 centimeter. Then breadth of the brick, which is 10 centimeter. Next, height of the brick, which is 7.5 centimeter. So, first of all, we need to find the total surface area of one brick. First of all, we need to find the total surface area of one brick. So, total surface area of one brick. How will we find the total surface area of one brick? We know that a brick is in the shape of a cuboid. We know that the brick is in the shape of a cuboid. For finding the total surface area of a cuboid, we are having the equation 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now substitute all the given values. That is 2 into L 22.5 into B 10 plus BH 10 into 7.5 plus LH 22.5 into 7.5. We need to find the answer of this. That is equal to 2 into 22.5 into 10, which gives 225, plus 10 into 7.5, which gives 75, plus what is 225 into, 22.5 into 7.5. We need to find the answer. 225 into 75. 5 into 5, 25, remainder 2, 5 into 2, 10 plus 2, 12, remainder 1, 7 into 2, 14 plus 1, 15, 7 into 5, 35, remainder 3, 7 into 2, 14 plus 3, 17, remainder 1, 7 into 2, 14 plus 1, 15, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 5. That is 172.75, which is 172.75. Now 22.5 into 7.5. Check once more. 5 into 5, 25. Remainder 2. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Remainder 1. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 1, it is 1. Yes. That's the problem. 5 into 5, 25. Remainder 2. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Remainder 1. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Then 7 into 5, 15. 7 into 5, 35. Remainder 3. 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Remainder 1. 7 into 2, 14 plus 1, 15. Now 5. 5 plus 2, 7. It becomes 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 1, 6. It is. Now adjust the points. We are having 2 decimal points, though it becomes 168.75. 168.75. Now we need to add these values. So now I am going to add these values. What we get is 225 plus 75 plus 168.75. So 0.75 remains the same. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 16. Remainder 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Right? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Remainder 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Remainder 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. That is 468.75, which is equal to 2 into 468.75. So we need to multiply it with 2. So for simply multiplying with the 2, I am going to add the same, which is simply 2 into 468.75. So 5 plus 5, 10. Remainder 1. 7 plus 1, 14 plus 1, 15. Remainder 1. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17. Remainder 1. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Remainder 1. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 9. That is 937.5, which is equal to 937.5 centimeter square, which is equal to 937.5 centimeter square. Now, here the dimensions are given in centimeter, but the total area we have to paint, or total area we can paint using this given container, is 9.375 meter square. So this is given in meter square, and the answer here we got in centimeter square. So we need to convert this centimeter square to meter square. How we convert centimeter to square to meter square? You all know that 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. So for changing centimeter to meter, just divide it by 100. But here it is centimeter square to meter square. So divide it by 100 square. What is 100 square? It is 10,000. So which is same as 937.5 divided by 10,000 meter square, which is equal to 0.0935 meter square. This is the area of one brick. This is the area of one brick. Now I am going to rub this and just write the area of one brick. So the steps I am rubbing and writing directly the area. Area of one brick is 0.09375 meter square. Now we are having the area of one brick. Then how will we find this type of bricks? How much we can paint, or how many bricks we can paint using that one container of paint? So total area we can paint is 9.375 meter square. Total area we can paint is equal to 9.375 meter square. Area of one brick is 0.09375 meter square. So number of bricks we can paint. So number of bricks we can paint using this container of paint is 9.375 divided by 0.09375. For removing the decimals, here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions after decimal. Here we are having 3. So put 2 zeros. 0, 0 divided by 9375. What happens? The answer is just 100. The answer is 100. Clear? So we can paint 100 bricks of this dimension 22.5 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 7.5 centimeter. So length 22.5 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height 7.5 centimeter. This is the dimension of one brick. So we can paint 100 such bricks using the given container of paint. Using the given container of paint. Clear? Okay. Now moving to the next question. What is the next question? In the next question, a cuboidal water tank. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long. Length is given, which is 6 meter. Then 5 meter wide. Breadth is given 5 meter. 4.5 meter deep. Height is given 4.5 meter. How many liters of water can it hold? Given a hint that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Given a hint that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So what are the given facts? The given data is length is equal to 6 meter. Breadth is equal to 5 meter. Height is equal to 4.5 meter. Now, how many liters of water can it hold? So we need to find the volume of that tank. Volume of that tank. Volume is equal to, here length, breadth and height are given. So we can say that it is in the shape of a cuboid. The tank is in the shape of a cuboid. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. That is equal to 6 into 5 into 4.5, which is 6 into 5, 30 into 4.5. That is equal to 30 into 4, 120, 30 into 0.5, 15. That is 135 meter cube. 135 meter cube. This is the volume of water that this tank can hold. This is the volume of water that this tank can hold. We need to find how many liters of water. We need the volume in liters. A hint is given that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Then what is 135 meter cube? It is 135 into 1000 liter. That is 1,35,000 liters of water this tank can hold. 1,35,000 liters of water this tank can hold. Clear? Two problems now we solved. One related to the surface area and one related to the problem. I think it's okay for you. The next figure we want to study is the third one, which is cylinder. The third one, which is cylinder. You all know the shape of a cylinder. Yeah, a cylinder will look like this. So a cylinder has a curved surface. A cylinder has a curved surface. Here a top surface and here a base surface. Here a base surface. Okay. In top and base for a cylinder, we are having circles. For top and base surface, the shape is circle. So if we take the radius of this base and the top as r, and the height of the cylinder is taken as h. The height of the cylinder is taken as h, and the base and the top surface are circles. The radius of that circle is taken as r. So we are having three surfaces. First, we need to find the curved surface area. Curved surface area, CSA. What is CSA? Curved surface area. CSA means curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cylinder. This is a uniform solid. For uniform solids, curved surface area can easily be found out by using the formula base perimeter into height. For uniform solids, curved surface area can be found out easily using the formula base perimeter into height. Here the base is in the shape of a circle. So base perimeter is 2 pi r. The base perimeter is 2 pi r and the height is h. So we can say that it is 2 pi rh. It is 2 pi rh. For uniform solid, we can find the curved surface area by using the formula base perimeter into height. Here, base is the shape of circle. So, base perimeter is 2 pi r and height is h. So, curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Now, we need to find total surface area. Total surface area means curved surface area plus base surface area plus top surface area. Curved surface area CSA plus base surface area BSA plus top surface area TSA. Sorry, this top surface area, you are getting a confusion. This is total surface area. So I am writing the same top surface area. So we know that CSA curved surface area is 2 pi RH plus what is base surface area? Base is the shape of a circle. Base is in the shape of a circle. What is the area of circle? It is pi r square plus top surface area. Top is also in the shape of a circle. So top surface area is same pi r square. So 2 pi rh plus pi r square plus pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square becomes 2 pi r square. Then 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. Here from both these 2 pi r can be taken as common 2 pi r. Then it becomes 2 pi r into h plus r. This can be simply written as 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. This is the equation for total surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi rh. Total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. Now, what is the volume of a cylinder? What is the volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder. For uniform solids, volume can easily be found out by using the formula base area into height. For uniform solids, volume can be found out easily by using the formula base area into height. Here, in the cylinder, base is in the shape of a circle. So, base area is pi r square. Base area is pi r square into height. What is height? It is h. So, what is the volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. So, this is our third figure, cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now I am noting the same here. Next figure is cylinder. Next figure is cylinder. For cylinder, CSA is equal to 2 pi RH. Then TSA, total surface area, is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Then volume is equal to pi r square h. Volume is equal to pi r square h. Okay. Now we completed three shapes: cube, cuboid, cylinder. For cylinder, curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Total surface area is 2 pi r into r plus h. Volume is pi r square h. Clear? Now moving to the problems related to the cylinder. The first problem is that the curved surface area of a cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. That means curved surface area is given. Curved surface area is given. Curved surface area is given as 88 centimeter square. And height of the cylinder is given. Height of the cylinder is given as 14 centimeter. Then we need to find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. For finding the diameter, we need to know the radius. So first we have to find the radius, then we can give the diameter. So what is the equation for curved surface area of a cylinder? Curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h, which is given as 88 centimeter square, which is given as 88 centimeter square. And height is given as 14 centimeters. So substitute height into this equation, then it becomes 2 pi r into 14 is equal to 88. What is 14 into 2? It is 28. 28 pi r is equal to 88. Now substituting the value of pi. What is pi? You can either substitute 3.14 or 22/7. Both values are okay. Either you can substitute 3.14 or 22/7. Now I am substituting 22/7. That is 28 into 22/7 into radius is equal to 88. Now look, 7 into 4 are 28. These 7 and 28 can be cancelled and can be written as 4. So what is 22 into 4? 20 into 4, 80, 2 into 4, 8. That is 88 r is equal to 88. Therefore, r is equal to 88 divided by 88, which is 1 centimeter. Now we got the radius as 1 centimeter. If the radius is 1 centimeter, then what is diameter? Then the diameter is 2 centimeter. If radius is 1 centimeter, then what is diameter? It is 2 centimeter. Clear? So the diameter of the cylinder is 2 centimeter. Now look at the next question related to the same cylinder. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. What do you mean by circumference? Circumference means base perimeter. Circumference means perimeter. So circumference of the base means simply base perimeter. Base perimeter is 2 pi r. Base perimeter is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is given as 132 centimeter. And its height is given as 25. H is equal to 25 centimeter. Then how many liters of water can it hold? How many liters of water can it hold? So from this it is clear that we want to find the volume. Volume is pi r square h. We are having h. So first we need to find the radius r from the equation 2 pi r. How to find? 2 into pi can be substituted as 22/7 into radius r is equal to 132. Now 2 into 2, 22, it is 44. 44/7 into r is equal to 132. Now cross multiply. The 7 goes to the here, it becomes multiplication. Then 44 comes to here, it becomes division. So r is equal to 7 into 132 divided by 44. Now we can simplify this 42 and 132. It becomes 22 divided by 2. 132 divided by 2, 66. Okay, clear? Okay. Now divide it by 11. 11 into 2, 22. 11 into 6, 66. Now 7 into 6 divided by 2. What is 6 divided by 2? 6 divided by 2 is 3. So what is 7 into 3? It is 21. So the radius is 21. So the radius is 21. Now we got the radius as 21. Then we can easily find the volume. We know that volume is equal to pi r square h. Therefore volume is equal to pi, it is 22/7 into r square, that is 21 square, 21 into 21 into what is h? It is 25. Now 7 into 3 are 21. This can be cancelled. So V is equal to 22 into 3 into 21 into 25. This is the volume. I am not finding the final answer. You have to multiply it and find the solution. 22 into 3 into 21 into 25. It's simply multiplication. Just multiply the numbers. What we got is the volume. So when we multiply this, we get the answer in centimeter cube. We got the answer in centimeter cube. But in question, it is asked to the how many liters. So how will we convert this? First centimeter cube to meter cube, then liters. So I will show how to solve. No problem, I will show. So what is 22 into 3 into 21 into 25? That is volume is equal to 22 into 3. It is 66 into 21 into 25. What is 21 into 25? 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 5, 2, 5. It is 525. Now what is 525 into 66? 525 into 66. 6 into 5, 30. Remainder 3. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Remainder 1. 6 into 5, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. And 6 into 5, 30. Remainder 3. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Remainder 1. 6 into 5, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 0, 5, 6, 4, 3 is equal to 34650 centimeter cube. How to convert this to meter cube? You know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So how will you convert meter cube, centimeter cube to meter cube? You know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So when we divide centimeter by 100, we get meter. When we are converting centimeter square to meter square, divide it by 100 square. When we are converting centimeter cube to meter cube, divide it by 100 cube. That is 100 into 100 into 100. So 34650 divided by 100 into 100 into 100. What happens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0.034650 meter cube. This is the value in meter cube. Now, how to convert this to liter? Just multiply it with 1000. So, 0.034650 into 1000. What is the answer? It becomes 1, 2, 3. 34.65 liter. 34.65 liter. Clear? When it multiplies with 1000, just replaces the decimal 3 points towards right. So 1, 2, 3. And it becomes 35.65 liter. Clear? This is the amount of water that it can hold. Okay. The next shape we want to study is cone. So we completed 3 shapes and the fourth one is a cone. Fourth one is a cone. You all know the shape of a cone. Simply, this is the shape of a cone. And we are having a curved surface. We are having a curved surface and a base surface. We are having a curved surface and a base surface. And the shape of the base is a circle. And the shape of the base is a circle. So the radius of this circle is taken as r. And from the top apex to the center of the circle, this is the height of the cone. This is the height of the cone. And now look at this. Here we are having a slanted edge. Here we are having a slanted edge. And this is the slant height represented by L. And this is the slant height represented by L. So the radius of the base is R, height of the cone is H, and this is the slant height L. Now curved surface area of a cylinder, sorry, of a cone, curved surface area of a cone, it is pi RL. Curved surface area of a cone is pi RL. Pi RL. Curved surface area of a cone is pi RL, where R is the radius and L is the slant height. Where R is the radius and L is the slant height. Then total surface area. What is the total surface area? Total surface area is curved surface area plus base surface area. We are having two surfaces, one curved surface and one base surface. So for finding total surface area, we need to add curved surface area and base surface area. That is curved surface area plus base surface area gives total surface area. What is curved surface area? Curved surface area is pi RL plus what is base surface area? Base is in the shape of a circle, so area of circle is pi r square. From both these we can take pi r as common, then pi r into L plus R, which you can simply written as pi r into R plus L. Pi r into R plus L. So total surface area of a cone is pi r into R plus L. Now moving to volume of a cone. Volume of a cone, simply the equation is 1 by 3 pi r square h. If it is a uniform shape of it, if it is a uniform solid, then base area into height gives volume. So base is circle, pi r square is area, pi r square into h gives volume. But it is not uniform. From going upwards, the width decreases. So the factor 1 by 3 came. Then volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is curved surface area of a cone? It is pi RL. What is total surface area? It is pi r into R plus L. What is volume? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Curved surface area pi RL. Total surface area pi r into R plus L. Volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now, here a relation connecting slant height and radius. This is looks like a right angle triangle, exactly a right angle triangle. So Pythagoras theorem can be applied, that is L square is equal to R square plus H square. This is the relation connecting slant height, radius and height. This is the relation connecting slant height, radius and height. L square is equal to R square plus H square. From this relation we can find slant height, radius and height. So this is the fourth figure, which is cone. For a cone, curved surface area is pi RL. Total surface area is pi r into R plus L. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So now we completed 4 shapes. Okay, is it clear? Okay, we are having 2 questions related to cone that we have studied right now. First question is, diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area and total surface area. That means diameter is given, which is 10.5 centimeter. So radius becomes diameter by 2, that is 10.5 divided by 2. That is equal to 5.25 centimeter. Either we can take 5.25, otherwise substitute 10.5 divided by 2. Then slant height is given as L is equal to 10 centimeter. First we need to find curved surface area. CSA is equal to pi RL. CSA is equal to pi RL. So substituting the values, pi is 22 by 7 into radius is either take 10.5 divided by 2, otherwise 5.25. Now I am taking 10.5 divided by 2 into slant height L is 10 centimeter. So this 22 and 2 can be cancelled. Here it becomes 11. Then 10.5 into 10 becomes 105. So 11 into 105 divided by 7. So what is 105 divided by 7? It becomes 7 into 10, 70, 7 into 5, 35. So it becomes 15. 105 divided by 7, it becomes 15. So what is 15 into 11? 15 into 11 becomes 165. So what is the curved surface area? Curved surface area becomes 165 centimeter square. 165 centimeter square. Now we need to find the total surface area. For total surface area, we already find curved surface area. So we have to find the base area and then add curved surface area to the base area. Then it becomes total surface area. For cone, base area is, that is base surface area, BSA is equal to, or BA, base area is equal to pi r square, because in the shape of a circle. So pi is 22 by 7 into r square. What is r? either 5.25, otherwise take 10.5. Then it is 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. That is pi r square. So 22 by 7 into what happens? 10.5 into 10.5 divided by whole divided by 2 into 2, 4. That is equal to this 22 and 4 can be cancelled. It becomes 11. It becomes 2. And this 7 and the 10.5 can be cancelled. It becomes 1.5. Then what happens next? 11 into 1.5 into 10.5 whole divided by 2. Now we need to multiply 10.5 with 1.5. That is 105 into 15. 5 into 5, 25. Remainder 2. 5 into 0, 0. Then it becomes 2. 5 into 1, 5. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. That is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 5, 1. It is 1575. That is equal to 1575 divided by 2. What is 1575 divided by 2? 1575 divided by 2. 7 into 2, 14. Remainder 1. 17. 8 into 2, 16. Remainder 1. Then 7 into 2. Oh, we need to put the decimals. I forgot to put the decimals. So what is 1.5 into 10.5? 1.5 into 10.5. What we got? 1.5 into 10.5. 105 into 15. Look again. I just forgot to put the decimal. So we have to put the decimal and then we can completely solve. 105 into 15. 5 into 5, 25. Remainder 2. 5 into 1, 5. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 0, 0. 1. 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 5. 1. 1575. Then we are putting the decimals 2 places. That is 11 into 15.75 whole divided by 2. 11 into 15.75 whole divided by 2. So what is 11 into 15.75? This can be easily found out. 75, 1575. So 5, 10 plus 5, 12. Remainder 1. 10 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 13. Remainder 1. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 1. Then 2 places. It is 173.25, which is equal to 173.25 divided by 2. 173.25 divided by 2. What is 173.25 divided by 2? 25 divided by 200. Simply, I'm just putting off the decimal 17325, then giving 2 zeros here. Then 8 into 200, it is 1600. Remainder 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 0, 3, 7 minus 6, 1, 132. Then this 5 comes down. Then what happens? 72, 14. Okay, 6 into 2. That is 1200. 5, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 125. Then putting a decimal and giving a 0. What happens? Again, it's 6, 1200. Okay. Now I am completing the decimal and writing answer as 86.6 centimeters square. This is the base area. So for finding total surface area, we need to add curved surface area and base surface area. So TSA is equal to curved surface area plus base surface area. What is curved surface area? It is 165 plus what is base area? It is 86.6. So we need to add 165.00 plus 86.60. 0, 6, 5 plus 6, it is 11, remainder 1. Then 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, remainder 1, 1 plus 1, 2. What is 251.6? So total surface area is equal to 251.6 centimeter square. Here in this question, curved surface area is 165 centimeter square and total surface area is 251.6 centimeter square. Now I am moving to the next question. Next question is that the height of a cone is 15 centimeter. So the height is given as 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, here the volume is given as 1570 centimeter cube. Find the radius of the base. We need to find the radius of the base. So what all things are given here? Here height is given as h is equal to 15 centimeter. Then volume is given as 1570 centimeter cube. We need to find the radius. What is the equation for volume? Volume V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume is given as 1570 is equal to 1 by 3 into, now I am taking pi as 3.14 into r square into h. What is h? It is 15. Now 15 and this 3 can be cancelled. 5 into 3, 15. So 1570 is equal to 3.14 into 5. What is 3.14 into 5? 314 into 5 is 5 into 4, 20. Remainder 2. 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 into 3, 15. That is 1570. When we need to put 2 decimals to the left. So it becomes 15.70 r square. So what is r square? R square is equal to 1570 divided by 15.70. So it becomes 100. R square is 100. Then what is r? It is root 100. Then it becomes 10. So what is the radius of the base? It is 10 centimeter. Radius of the base is 10 centimeter. So given height and volume, we need to find the radius. What is the radius? It is 10 centimeter. Okay. So the next shape we want to study is sphere. So next is sphere. We already completed cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone. Now moving to sphere. You all know the shape of a sphere. Okay. You all know that. Or you all see lemon or a candy called laddu or a ball, cricket ball. These are all shape of a sphere. So for that shape, there is only one surface. Consider a lemon, there is only one surface. Consider a cricket ball, there is only one surface. So for a sphere, there is only one surface. And that surface area, total surface area is 4 pi r square. That surface area is 4 pi r square. Then what is the volume of sphere? The volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So total surface area 4 pi r square and volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. Remember, total surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square and the total volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Clear? So I am going to write here. Next is sphere. Sphere. So total surface area. Total surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. Then volume V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the equation for finding total surface area and volume of a sphere. Total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square and volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we are having two questions related to sphere. First one is find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So surface area, that is total surface area of the sphere, is given as 154 centimeter square. We need to find the radius. What is the equation for total surface area? It is 4 pi r square. That means 4 pi r square is equal to 154. Then we need to find the radius. So 4 into pi is taken as 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. We need to find r square. Then we can find r. So I am cross multiplying this 7 to the right side, then it becomes r square is equal to 154 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. Then we can cancel this 154 and 22. It becomes 11. Then 154 becomes 75 into 2, 150. It is 77. Then this 77 and 11 can be cancelled. 7. So in the numerator, 7 into 7 divided by 4. So r square is equal to 7 into 7 by 4. That is 49 by 4. Then r square is equal to 49 by 4. Then what is r? Root of 49 by 4. That is root of 49 is 7 by root of 4 is 2. What is 7 by 2? It is 3.5. Then what is radius of the sphere? Radius of the sphere is 3.5 centimeter. Radius of the sphere is 3.5 centimeter. Now look at the next question. What is the next question? The next question is that find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter 28 centimeter. So we are given the diameter of the ball. Diameter of the ball D is equal to 28 centimeter. Then what is radius? Radius is equal to 28 by 2, which is 14 centimeter. Find the amount of water displaced by this solid spherical ball. So we need to find the volume. What is volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is equal to 4 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 14. Therefore 14 into 14 into 14, which is 14 cube, r cube. Now this 7 and 14 can be cancelled. 7 into 2 is 14. Then it becomes 22 into 4, it is 88 into 2 into 14 into 14 divided by 3. That is equal to 88 into 14 into 2, 28 into 14 divided by 3. So what is 88 into 28 into 14? 28 into 14. That is 8 into 4, 32. Remainder 3. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 2, 2. 2. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. So 28 into 14 gives 392. That is equal to 88 into 392 divided by 3. What is 88 into 392? 392 into 88. 8 into 2, 16. Remainder 1. 9 into 8. 72 plus 1, 73. Remainder 7. 8 into 3. 24 plus 7, 31. 8 into 2, 16. Remainder 1. 9 into 8. Then what is 9 into 8? 72. 72 plus 1, 73. Remainder 7. 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 1, 7. 31. 6, 9, 4, 4, 3. So what is 88 into 392? It is 3, 4, 4, 9, 6 divided by 3. That is 34,496 divided by 3. Now we can divide 3, 4, 4, 34,496 divided by 3. 1 into 3, 3, remainder 0. Now 4. 1 into 3, 3, remainder 1, 14. 4 into 3, 12, remainder 2, 29. 9 into 3, 27. Remainder 1. Sorry, remainder 9 minus 7, 2, 26. 8 into 3, 24. Remainder 2. Then it becomes decimal. Now I am writing it as a fraction, that is 11498 and 2 by 3. This is a q plus r by d form, q and r by d form. Quotient is 11498, remainder is 2 by divisor is 3. So the answer is 11498 and 2 by 3 centimeter cube. 11498 and 2 by 3 centimeter cube. This much amount of water is displaced when this spherical ball is put in a container containing water. So 11498, 11,498 and 2 by 3 centimeter cube. This much amount of water is displaced by this spherical ball. Okay. Now moving to the last section. Now moving to the last section of this chapter. The last shape we need to study is a hemisphere. A hemisphere. This is the sixth one, a hemisphere. So you know, when a sphere is cut into two equal parts, when a sphere is cut into two equal parts, we got a hemisphere. When a sphere is cut into two equal parts, we got a hemisphere. For a hemisphere, here there is a surface. This is the curved surface. This is the curved surface. And we got a surface here also. This is the base surface. This is the base surface. So for a hemisphere, we are having curved surface and base surface. But for a sphere, there is only one surface. Remember, for a sphere, there is only one surface. But for a hemisphere, we are having curved surface and base surface. Then the curved surface area is that the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. When it is cut into two equal parts, it becomes exactly the half. That is the curved surface area. So the curved surface area is 2 pi r square. When a sphere is cut into two equal parts, total surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. When it is cut into two equal parts, we got 2 pi r square. That 2 pi r square is the curved surface area of hemisphere. Remember, that 2 pi r square is the curved surface area of the hemisphere. So when we cut into two equal parts, we got a base also. So for finding total surface area, we have to add this curved surface area plus base surface area. Curved surface area is 2 pi r square plus in the base we got a circle. So area of circle is pi r square. What is 2 pi r square plus pi r square? It is 3 pi r square. It is 3 pi r square. So what is the total surface area of a hemisphere? It is 3 pi r square. Now moving to volume. Volume of a hemisphere is exactly the half of sphere. Volume of a hemisphere is exactly the half of a sphere. So what is the volume of sphere? Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then what is the volume of hemisphere? It is half the volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 2. It is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. So in case of a hemisphere, curved surface area is 2 pi r square, total surface area is 3 pi r square and volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So I am writing here, in case of a hemisphere, CSA is equal to 2 pi r square, TSA is equal to 3 pi r square, volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now all the equations related to this chapter is completed with the sixth one, that is a hemisphere. So curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square, total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square and volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here is our last two questions in this chapter related to the last topic which we have studied, that is hemisphere. So find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeters. So radius is given as 10 centimeter. We need to find the total surface area of the hemisphere. Total surface area of the hemisphere, TSI is equal to 3 pi r square. TSI is equal to 3 pi r square. So substitute the values. 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 10. So 10 into 10. R square is taken as 10 into 10. So 3 into 22 into 10 into 10 is 100 all divided by 7. That is 22 into 3 into 100. What is 22 into 3? It is 66 into 100, 6600 divided by 7. What is 6600 divided by 7? 9 into 7, 63. Remainder 3, 30. 7 into 4, 28. Remainder 2, 20. Then 7 into 2, 14. Remainder 6. It is 8 into 7, 56. Then goes like this. Okay. So it is approximately equal to 942.8 centimeter square. 942.8 centimeter square. Clear? Total surface area of this hemisphere is 3 pi r square. That is 3 into 22 by 7 into 10 square. 10 square is 100. 3 into 22 is 66. 66 into 100 is 6600 divided by 7, which is approximately 942.8. Again, we can divide up to 3 or 4 decimal points. Now I am taking only 1 decimal point. So I stop division when we got 942.8 centimeter square. Now look at the next question, and that is the last question which we are discussing from this chapter. So what is the last question? How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? So diameter is given as 10.5 centimeter. So radius is simply 10.5 divided by 2 centimeter. How many liters of milk? So we want to find the volume. Volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. That is 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. So this 2 and 2 can be cancelled. 22 and 2 can be cancelled as 11. Then it becomes 11 into 10.5 into 10.5 into 10.5 all divided by 3 into 7 into 2. Okay. Then you know that 15 into 7 is 105. So this 10.5 and 7 can be cancelled and it becomes 1.5. Then it becomes 11 into 1.5 into 10.5 into 10.5 divided by 3 into 2, it becomes 6. 3 into 2, it becomes 6. So we need to multiply. That is 10.5 into 10.5. It is 105 into 105. 5 into 5, 25. Remainder 2. 5 into 1, 5. 0, 0, 0. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 5, 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 0, 1. So, putting a dot, 2 positions. That is 11 into 1.5 into becomes 106.25. Clear? 5 into 5, 25. Remainder 2. 5 into 0. It becomes 2. 5 into 1, 1. 5 into 1. It becomes 5. 25, 25, remainder 2, it becomes 2, 5 into 1, it becomes 5. Okay. 0 into 5, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Okay, right. 5, 2, 5 plus 5, 10. Remainder 1, 110.25, not 106. Right. Check whether the multiplication 105 into 105, that is 10.5 into 10.5. 25, 25, remainder 2, 5 into 0, 0. So this 2 comes here, 5 into 1, 5. Then 0 into 5, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Now adding 5, 2, 5 plus 5, 10, remainder 1 comes 1. So 110.25 divided by 6. Now we need to multiply 110.25 into 1.5. 11025 into 15. 5 into 5, 25, remainder 2, 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, remainder 1, 5 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 1, 5, 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 1, 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 1. So 2 plus 1, when we are putting decimal for 3 places, then it becomes 165.375 all divided by 6, that is equal to, now we need to multiply 165.375 into 11. So for multiplying with 11, we can use the shortcut 165.375. Just write the same number one position before, 165.375. 5, 10 plus 5, 12, remainder 1, 10 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, remainder 1, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 6 plus 5, 11, remainder 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 1. So putting decimal 3 places. So 1819.125 divided by 6, that is equal to, we need to divide. Now 1819.125 divided by 600. 600 into 3, 1800. Remainder 9, 119, 191, 0, 1912, 3. 600 into 3, 191, 600 into 3, 1800. Remainder 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 0, 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 5, 1. It becomes 600. Remainder 5, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 6, 5. Then it goes like this point. Then 4800. It goes like this. Answer is approximately equal to 3031.8. This much centimeter square, centimeter cube. This much of centimeter cube. So we want to convert this to meter cube. We want to convert this to meter cube. So how to convert this to meter cube? When we divide it by 100, it becomes centimeter to meter. Then by 100 square, centimeter square to meter cube. Then by 100 cube. So 3031.8 divided by 100 into 100 into 100, 100 cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. So the answer becomes, I am writing the remaining here. So the answer becomes 0.003031, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this much of meter cube. How to convert this to liters? For converting this to liters, multiply with 1000. What happens? What happens next? Just multiply it with 1000, then it becomes liters. So we want to check all the multiplication and division process. So it is for easy calculation. I am just using my calculator. So check whether it is right or not. So what we need to find, 11 into 1.5 into 110.25 divided by 6 is, okay, 7 into 165.375 divided by 6 divided by 6. Wow, that's it. When we need to replace this 3 position, we need to divide it with 6000. So when we are replacing 3 decimal, we need to put 3 zeros. So it becomes 303.18. It becomes 303.18. So the answer is 303.18 centimeter cube. 303.18 centimeter cube. 303.18 centimeter cube. To convert the centimeter cube to meter cube, divide it with 10 cube. So it becomes 0.00030318 meter cube. Then multiply it with 1000 to get in liters. So what happens when we are multiplying it with 1000? It becomes 0.3031 liters. 0.3031 liters. So how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? It is 0.3031 liters, 0.3021 liters. Here, just remember to do it when we are dividing 1819.125 divided by 6. I am just avoiding this decimal. So after this decimal there are three places. So when we are avoiding this decimal, put 3 zeros. At first we just put only 2 zeros. That way we get the answer as 3031.8. But when we correctly places these 3 zeros, it becomes 303.18, and the final answer is 0.3031 liter. This is the whole thing that we need to study from this chapter. Okay. So what all things we have studied in this chapter? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. For all these shapes, we studied the surface area and volume. For cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere, we studied surface area and volume, and related to that surface area and volume, we solved 2 questions from each. For each shape, we solved 2 questions. The remaining you can solve in the same way using this equation. Okay. I am Nitishas, and thank you for joining me in this section. Let us meet with another section in another day.